Now, so what I want to do is I want to see the true shape of this kind of piece here. So to look at the 3D one, it's this corner here that I want to see the true shape of. Now, to find the true shape of something, I have to look in straight at it. So, can I look in straight at it from the end elevation? No. I have to come down here to the plan. I have to look directly through that. So draw the lines directly through that, project them up to somewhere here, and then I have to draw them in. So, to do that, we're going to use sliding set squares. And a slight kind of, remember sliding set squares? We place, if we wanted to do it for say this angle here, okay, we would slide it down a little bit. So now we've got two rulers. This one is clamped down by my hand. I'm going to slide this one down. And I'm going to be able to draw a line of 45 degrees, or not 40, 90 degrees, or, okay, and like so. So let's try and do that for this one here. Let's try and do it for this angle. So, leave my ruler there. Now actually we could probably do it using this one. So we've got my 45 is below and my 3060 is here. I'm going to slide that down a little bit out of your view. Okay. And we're going to draw it down. So I've got that now. So let's roll this guy down. So I've got my right hand is clamped. Now I'm going to clamp down on the left hand. And I'm going to bring this one around. So now any line that I draw along this point here is going to be at 90 degrees to it. So, keeping my 45 degree set square clamped down, I'm going to draw these lines in parallel. So I'm going to take the point over. So any point on that line, I'm going to take over. Now I've reached kind of like the end of my set square here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clamp down on my 3060. I'm going to roll my 45 along. And I'm going to clamp down again on my 45 and draw it up, okay? So, what I need now is I need to draw my kind of like my XY line, or my kind of my bottom point. So it has to be at 90 degrees, these ones here. So what we're going to do is we're going to place, again here now, we're going to place our 45 degree along the line, and we're going to slide it back so we have a bit of space to work with. We're going to draw this in here. So pretty much as close as possible, because we're going to run out of space here. So that is like the bottom. So we've just found here, what we found is the bottom here. So we found this line here. That's what this is, okay? But now we've got to find the heights, okay? Now, the heights aren't going to be available to us in the end elevation. We're going to get them from this is the plan. They're not going to be available here, and we're going to get them from the elevation, okay? So, take my compass. Now I may run out a bit of room, so I'm going to take the height here. Okay. Taking the height there. If I follow that line down, comes to this point here, and I'm going to come out to here. I'm going to mark that. So compass on that line. Mark that point. So the next one is this line here. Now, I haven't quite drawn them long enough, so I'm going to extend that. Now, the final line I have to take is this one here. I'm going to follow it down to this point here. I'm going to bring it out. See if I have enough. No, just out of space. Let's roll this down. Okay. So I'm just going to extend on this line. Okay, so that's my point there. I'm going to connect that up here. Just falling out. Now, so that is the true shape of this shape here. So true shape. So let's call this our S shape, and that's here and here. What we've done, grab my pen. Is we've taken our point here. So our shape here in red. So this is where it appears in the elevation. It's here, the plan. So we've projected it up through the plan because we can see it directly down. Projected it up through, and here's my point here. In like an auxiliary elevation. So that's our point. That's that question done.